Good morning. Welcome to episode 9, I think it is. I've still got another 2 to edit, so I always seem to get behind on the editing. Chris Davison Goes Wild. In fact, I've changed the name now to just Explore, Be Curious, because I thought Chris Davison Goes Wild it's a bit like Bill Oddie Goes Wild. It's a bit of a piss take, and it sounds a bit daft. I don't want to make it about my name, because I was thinking, like, this is me and Sarah always go out hiking, so she's part of it as well. So I thought Explore, Be Curious. It's actually a name of a Cloud Kicker song. Ben Sharp, like, it's really talented multi-instrumentalist, and the name Explore, Be Curious just sort of sums up me, I think. Adventure. That's what it's all about. That's what this channel's all about. I'm just going to open the door and let some air in. Just enjoying my coffee. So today it's going to be a bit of a washout, I think. It just said it's going to be drizzling all day, so it might not make for the best footage. So I've actually come back up to Gilmonby, which we were the other couple. Was it last week or the week before? I'm going to walk up to where Citron Seat is, where we went last time. But instead of going to Citron Seat, I'm going to turn left, and then I'm going to go up to. I'm just looking at my map. There's a hill called Spanham West Hill, which I saw from when I was up near Citron Seat. It looked like a really interesting sort of little crag. So I'm just going to go and explore that. I'm going to branch on round to Stang Forest, and then kind of hit the moors and then go to. I'm just having a look over some misty moorland and go up to White Crag Moss. I'm going to go up to Bleak Howe Edge. And then sort of power on down to Dalehead Common, pick up a little trail and come out at Slate Home Farm. That's probably not the most interesting walk, but it's just up the road from where Sarah works. So I thought, I'll just do that, because it's not, not the best weather. Going to the lakes is a bit out of the question, because it's just shit when it's raining, isn't it? So yeah, I'm going to do that. Slate Home Farm. I might go down to God's Bridge, but the likelihood is I'll just power down the road back up to Gilmonby, just because the weather's not that good, but we'll see how we feel. So I've got like a few options. If it's a total washout, I've got like a 6-mile walk, and then there's a 10-mile option, and there's the 15-mile option. So we'll see how we feel. I've got 6 hours, so we'll see how we do. Anyway, yeah, let's go. My old friend, the shooting lodge. Going to stop and take my jacket off, it's getting a bit hot. Last time, it might look familiar. Citron Seat over there, looking a bit more moody, and I'm going to be heading on that trail over there. I don't know if you can see that crag. I'm going to go up there. Is it West Spanham Hill or something? It looked quite interesting to me. I'm always looking out for wild camp spots as well, so it's worth doing a bit of a recce. So yeah, this is all new ground now. I think we're about 2¼ miles in. Feeling good. Still hasn't rained yet, touch wood, but I'm sure we'll get a little bit of a pitter patter later on. I'm prepared anyway. So that's where I am. That arrow, you can see that. The old OS. That's what's it called again? Zoom in. I've forgotten the name. Spanham West Hill. That's where I'm gonna go. There's no proper path up it, so I'm just going to sort of like follow that path down and then go up the side, I think. I've read up on it and people have done it, so it's not like, I don't think it's private land. We'll see. So far so good. Probably done about 3 miles now. Yeah. Didn't factor this into the equation. Might have to get my feet wet here. Surely there's a bridge. It's been raining a lot as well, so the banks are quite swollen. Bugger! Let's see what we can find. So finally over the beck. That stressed me out a bit. That I was going to wade through the ford. I had a quick look up and down, see if there's anywhere I could jump, and I thought, I don't really want to get my feet wet. It's just a right arse on, I can't be bothered with all that. And I found one bit where I was going to jump, and I weighed it all up, and I was about to do it, and I sort of bottled out. I thought, oh shit, what if my ankle like slip or something, you know, when I get there, because it was quite a jump. But I could have probably done it, but I didn't, just to, you know, I'm just playing it safe at the minute. So I just walked 10 minutes up the beck and found a shooting bridge. So that's like, set me back 20 minutes. Never mind. It's all part of the fun. So, because I had that slight diversion, I'm actually approaching Spanham Hill West, or whatever it's called, from the other side, which I've worked out is actually better, because I can jump on a little trail and get to where I need to be. I'll probably miss out about a mile as well, so it's probably for the best. Things happen for a reason. But yeah, this was the point of interest today, so I didn't want to sort of like, I could have just gone round it and just joined the path, but this was the point of interest, so up we go. Up we go. This, I reckon 9 times out of 10 I would have normally jumped that beck. And again, it got me thinking, like, what if I did, like, something happened, you know, because I'm in the middle of nowhere. Whoa. Ready. Spanham Hill West, just at the top now. It's not really much of a hill, but I quite like the way it looked. I thought I wouldn't climb that. Stang forest over there, looking all moody. I think I need a drink through all that. Cheers. So yeah, just at the top of Spanham Hill West, on a quick break. Yeah, I got some decent views going on. You see bows over there. The weather's not great. It hasn't rained yet though, so quite happy about that. This is quite nice. Don't know why I'm just drawn to these sort of like rugged moorland, desolate places. You see Citron Seat right over there. Yeah, so just having a quick can of the Mainsgill. I'm not selling it very well there. Sorry, a Mainsgill sausage roll for £2.99. Profit on that. It's a bloody good sausage roll though, especially when they're fresh. Oh, couldn't stop too long. A bit nippy as soon as you sit down. Quick 5 minutes, And back on the road. So just following this fence line down in a minute. Try and get on the path. So that old track over there. I'll try and get down to that, I guess. Oh, I see a little gate. That's good. I always like a gate. Medic. Just descended from the hill, along the fence, down there, and back on the track. I tell you what, if you're watching this, you must be so bored. Ah, for fuck's sake, another Ford. Can I just fucking power through this? No, it's a bit deep, isn't it? Hang on. Some stones there. Should be able to jump this. Ugh. Not a fan of Fords. Oh. Easy, innit? So I'm hoping to get into double figures today, mileage wise. Yeah, it'll be the first time I've done double figures since what, May? So just heading up to White Crag. It's certainly living up to its name. Proper in the clouds. I'm on this it's like plasticky sort of lino thing. So I think obviously they put it down for the shooters so they can, so it doesn't get, you know, you don't get trapped in bogs. So it's quite handy. It's quite slippy though. So I try and keep to the grassy bits. See, the grass has sort of grown through it. I just stopped it. This would be a total fucking quagmire without this, I'd imagine. So it's ugly looking, but it serves a purpose. Follow the white tip. Ah, it's been quite hard. Just gradual ascent. So we should be near the top of White Crag now. This is a good workout, for sure. So I'm kind of at the top of White Crag now. Now there's no proper path up here on the OS, but I sort of zoomed in with Google Maps. It appears to be a trail that goes all the way on for a couple of miles. So that's what I'm doing. God, no, I think I'm on the trail. I found it anyway. Oh man, I'm knackered. That ascent doesn't look much, but I'm sweating. So I'm about halfway across White Crag now, and the weather's really kicked in. It's not ideal, like the path, there isn't really a path, so I'm having to go really careful and just watch where I'm putting my feet, because it's quite slippy with these rocks. So yeah, I'm just going really slow, about halfway across. But yeah, I was hoping to get some nice views up here, but it's not to be. So I'm nearly at the end of White Crag. Got a decision to make. I'm thinking I'm going to go the plan B route, because it's like, yeah, the weather's not great, and you know, just doing a 15 miler in the pissing rain, especially over Slatham. It's like quite bleak up there anyway. I ain't gonna see shit, so I think I'm gonna power back over the moors that way, back over, head towards Citron Seat, and then back to the car. I should have done over 10 miles, so that's good. So I've been wanting to do, like, you know, getting double figures. So that'll do. You know, sometimes what's the point in pushing on when the weather's shit? You have to make a decision sometimes. It hasn't been the easiest hike up here. Like, there's no real path. Oh yeah, just out there. Got out the rain a little bit here, a little bit of a windbreak. Yeah, I think I'm gonna plan B it definitely, because I'll be pushing on over there somewhere and yeah, I can't really be bothered. So I'm just gonna head down that route, back over to near Citron Seat, then back to Gilmonby.